Hey, hello everyone. Welcome from Rushi Technologies. This is Balaji Reddy Lachanagari, a senior solution architect and DevOps trainer at Rushi Technologies. I am starting a new DevOps with the AWS batch from August 2nd. It's a evening batch. The class timings will be evening 7:30 to 9 p.m. IST. The demo will be on August 2nd and the regular classes will start from August 4th. So as part of this DevOps program, we are going to cover from basics to breakthrough. And also, as part of this DevOps program, it is not like a beginner level or intermediate level training. It is real-time, project-oriented or a task-oriented training. So first we will be taking the fundamentals. Before you start any batch or any learning, right? Any new technology, you have to be strong in the fundamentals. So everyone already know Linux and shell scripting is like a building blocks or a fundamentals for DevOps rules. So we are going to discuss about Linux and shell scripting also in a very advanced topics also we'll be discussing from basics. Once that is done, we will be starting with SCM concepts, source code management repositories like Git, GitHub, and also we will try to understand what are the alternative tools for Git, GitHub, and how they are differ from this Git, GitHub, and the best practices when we are working with SCM repositories. And after that, we are going to discuss about the various builder tools that is used for building various applications developed in different programmatic languages. Like we will understand Maven, we will understand NPM for Node.js applications, we will understand pip for Python, and also we will try to discuss about DevSecOps concept also here. The security becomes very important nowadays when we are building and deploying in our application lifecycle. Whether you are following a traditional model of developing and deploying the applications or whether you are following a waterfall model or a agile model. So we have to perform certain tasks in every stage of our application lifecycle. So we will be discussing about SaaS tools like SonarQube, and also we'll try to see how we can scan the container images also when we are building and deploying applications like containers using tools like Trivi. And we will be discussing about tools like SonarQube, Tomcat, Nexus, and we'll be discussing about the most popular and widely used CI/CD tools like Jenkins. And here in Rushi Technologies, we are not going with only one CI/CD tool. Nowadays, most of the companies or projects is using Git actions and maybe Azure pipelines. So Git and Azure both are managed by Microsoft. So here I will be teaching CI/CD concept on Git actions also, so that whether you are using Git actions, whether you are using Azure CI, same way we are going to build the pipeline, so that we will be covering total 3 CI/CD tools. And also we'll be discussing about configuration management tools like Ansible, and we are going to discuss about cloud computing, cloud services, and the most popular cloud service provider like AWS. And while discussing AWS also, how AWS is differs from Azure also we'll be discussing. And again, after discussing AWS, we'll be discussing about the most popular and widely used like a DevOps tool in the market, containerization tools like Docker. We will deep dive into Docker and container orchestration tools like Kubernetes. And when we are using Kubernetes, we will be discussing about what is Helm charts, how we can build and deploy applications as a Helm charts. And again, nowadays, when we are deploying applications into the Kubernetes, we may use a GitOps model, where we will be maintaining the Kubernetes manifests or a Helm charts in SCM repository. Instead of the CD tools deploying that resources in cluster, we will have a GitOps tools like ArgoCD. So we'll discuss about what is ArgoCD, how we can deploy applications in Kubernetes using ArgoCD. And also we will be discussing about microservices, monolithic microservices. We will be taking a sample applications, like real-time sample applications that is implemented in a microservices architecture, and also we will see how we can build and deploy microservices at the architecture applications in Kubernetes using Jenkins or ArgoCD. And also the most important when we are working with microservices, monitoring, alerting, logging, site reliability engineering tools, like we will be discussing about Prometheus, Grafana, Elasticsearch, Kibana, Logstash, and also service mesh concepts. When we are deploying applications in a microservices, one service has to communicate with another services. So we are going to discuss about service mesh concepts, and we are going to discuss about tools like Istio. And again, we will be discussing about what is basically the applications. When we are like real applications, we'll take some sample applications and we will see. As a developer standpoint also, how developer will write the code. As a DevOps engineer standpoint also, what is our roles and responsibilities, we'll try to discuss. And again, here, why you guys has to choose Rushi Technologies? What is something add-on we are going to give it to our students? Here, my trainings will be most interactive and practical and hands-on trainings. From day one, I will be explaining about the best practices that you have to follow when you are working in the real environment. And the topic-wise interview questions will be shared, and resume preparation will be there. And each and every session is recorded, and we will be giving access to the recordings for 1 year. And 24/7 the trainer support will be there. One-to-one discussions also based on the need. I can connect with you anytime if you stuck somewhere, if you are lagging behind in the understanding and the practicing. So you can contact me anytime so that I can help you to resolve the issues and learning smoothly. And also we will be having a dedicated community where I will be keep posting updates about the new tools, new technologies coming in the DevOps field, and also I will be sharing the job openings and job referrals, right? Thank you. See you on August 2nd. So August 2nd we have a demo. Kindly reach out to me in the given numbers so that you can enroll yourself, so that I can reach out to you when the demo is going to start. Thank you. If you guys are looking for DevOps training, kindly reach out to Rushi Technologies, or if you or your friends, your colleagues or family members are looking, kindly share this video. Thank you. Subscribe to Rushi Technologies YouTube channel, share. Thank you.